Welcome back to another IronCAD tutorial. Today we'll be going through another Too Tall Toby practice model dated 10/06, the cap stop. This model consists of cylinders, cut extrude, draft feature, but even the cut cylinder to be able to create the holes here. Looking at the two holes, we see the big section is 0.375 and the smaller section is the 0.25, which we can use the cut cylinder to do and to achieve. The cuts here using the cut extrude about an inch. We see the overall diameter of the cylinder is about 2.25 and the overall length is 2.5. So looking at this model, we can create this model together. So let's begin. We'll add the cylinder here. What I like to do is I like to adjust so it's a little bit easier to look at. So I'll rotate that 90 degrees and now I'll adjust the diameter to 2.25 and I'll adjust the length to 2.5. Okay. And now we'll go on the back side and we'll begin with the smaller holes. So I'll adjust this to be 2.5 or 0.25. We'll move this over 0.5 from either side because it's a total of 1 inch. And then I'll move it up 0.375 because the total distance from the top to the bottom is 0.75. So we need about halfway. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll rotate this and we'll have this come out to be, it was 0.875, I believe. Yes, 0.875, which we can adjust there. What we'll do now is we'll actually add the big cut cylinder as well on this end. So adding the cut cylinder there, we'll adjust this to go all the way through and this to be 0.375 because we'll make this cut here. So now that we have the two holes there, what we can simply do now is go back to the front side, grab both of these holes here, and then using the TriBall, make it come back to the middle, mirror it here, and we'll link it. So they're both there now. Okay, now we'll come back on the front side and we'll add this extrude cut here. We know what this extrude cut is 1.5. So from the top 1.5, and then we'll adjust on both sides. And this is also 1 inch in depth. So now we have this cut here. And then lastly, we'll add the draft. So we'll go to features. We'll add the draft face. We'll select this bottom surface here. Oops, we'll select this bottom surface there, this surface there, set to 25 degrees. Hit OK. We'll now go to the properties, adjust here, and here's our mass, 1.723. I hope you're able to enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.